Hi, everybody. Welcome to rotation 2 of distance learning. I hope you're all well. I miss you terribly. I miss your laughter, and I miss just all of the fun that we have in science. I am going to just give you a little overview of what we're going to be focusing on this rotation, and then give you a little tour of the PowerSchool pages so far. I haven't quite finished one of them. But this week is going to be all about, this rotation is going to be about getting your presentation for Genius Hour finished, but it's also really going to be about communication. This is something that I found a little bit frustrating last week because I didn't really hear from everyone. So I am expecting to hear from everyone and for everyone to be participating this week, this rotation. And there's a variety of ways that you can participate and therefore communicate with me. Those are completing your assignments. So when you complete an assignment and I can see that you've completed your assignment, I know that you're working and I know that you're participating. Another way that you can show participation and communication is by literally communicating. If you have a question, then you can email me, you can set up a Zoom call. There are a variety of ways, right? We can obviously virtually communicate. So if you have a question or if you have a concern or if there's a lesson that you can't get turned in on time, that's okay. I just need to hear from you about that. Um, there's also office hours. There's office hours on Zoom, and I'll show you where I have those times set up. And then once we create Google Slides, you'll be doing your presentation in Google Slides. And once you set that up, you'll be able to share that document with me. And I also expect that if I give you feedback in your Google Slides, there's a way that I can kind of communicate with you inside that slide. And I expect you to respond to that if I do provide feedback to you within Google Slides. So expectation this week is communication, communicating by either getting your assignments turned in on time or communicating with me that you cannot get them turned in on time. Okay, let's get a little tour here of the web pages. Let me find them. All right, PowerSchool. So we have our distance learning expectations. And I took the schedule out from last week, but added what I just told you, that expectation about communicating with me is super important this week. I think it's probably true of all your teachers. And then an overview video, that's where this lives right here. I haven't done that, obviously. This video is going to go right here. That's all that's going to be on that page. Then there is a page just for all of the links for Zoom meetings. And each class does have a required Zoom meeting this week. And if you cannot attend it, then you need to send me an email saying why. This is about communicating and participating. Important because we'll march through and do some things together on that Zoom call. I can set up an individual one with you if that time is not going to work. Let me know. And then the assignments page right here has everything listed out by lesson. So lesson 1 and when it's due, lesson 2 and when it's due, lesson 3 and when it's due, lesson 4 and 5. Over here is a quick list of the due dates. This right here is a checklist or the rubric. This is how you're going to be graded. This is a document once it's not here, and I'm going to put a separate tutorial for how to download this to your computer. But it will be great to have as your checklist for the week, and it's set up just like this page by lesson. So I think it's going to be super easy, and but we can talk about it at our class meeting on Monday or Tuesday. I will get to see everybody, and I'm very excited about that. So anyway, I can't wait to read your presentations. I'm super, super excited about this week. All right, I'll see you soon.